Helo, noswaith a chroeso I fy mhodlediad. Hello, good evening and welcome to my podcast. Cyfraddau hunanladdiad yn uwch mewn ardaloedd glofaol. How would you say that? Suicide rates higher in mining areas. So, pwllglo, longo, short O, glofaol. Is that how you say it? Colliery. It's the adjective of colliery areas. Anyway. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif, chant a cant wyth. Series 4 and episode number 358. Llyfrau, books. So today's episode is I found on Friday at the library, the librarian gave me all in Welsh, a little leaflet. I thought I might have an interest in it. There's a challenge for Dewey numbers are like classifications, how they do the numbers in the library. Dewey, I think they must be named after a person. And it's how they do that. It's just, and then they were listing this leaflet. It's on the web lesson. I've done pictures of it. Lists all these different categories, topics of books in the library, all in Welsh. And there's no English on this pamphlet. It's all in Welsh, this one. So I've gone through that, translating it and doing the words. So that's what we've got. So the pictures are there. And and these are the words. Cyffredinol, general, overall, universal. Technoleg, technology, aspirate mutation of technoleg. Codio, code, encode, as a verb or a verb noun. Gwyddoniaduron, encyclopedias, plural of gwyddoniadur. Canllawiau, rails, handrails, or guidelines and guidances, plural of canllaw. So it'd be, guidebooks kind of thing in this context. Cyfrifiadurol, pertaining to a computer as an adjective. Gwybodaeth, knowledge, information. Gyffredinol, general, overall, universal again, soft mutation of cyffredinol. Amgueddfeydd, museums. Amgueddfeydd, museums, plural of amgueddfa. Llyfrgelloedd, libraries, plural of llyfrgell. I don't know how to pronounce this either. Cynllwyn, apparently. Conspiracy, intrigue, or the devil. Cynllwyn. Athroniaeth, philosophy. Lles, benefit, profit, gain, welfare, well-being. In this case, well-being. It's health and well-being, one of the sections, I think. Seicoleg, psychology. Ysbrydolrwydd, spirituality or inspiration. Hunangymorth, self-help. Perthnasoedd, relationships, connections. Uwch naturiol, supernatural, occult, paranormal. Crefydd, religion. Anfyddiaeth, Anfyddiaeth, atheism. Testinau, topics, subjects, text. Sanctaidd, hallowed, holy, sacred. Bywyd, life. Crefyddol, religious, devout, monastic. Crefyddau, religions, plural of crefydd. Byd, world. Cymdeithion, companions. Babel is a Bible, hanes, history. Cymdeithas, society, company, fellowship. Gyfraith, sophomization of cyfraith, law.
Cyfraith.
Gwleidyddiaeth, politics, addysg, education. Trosedd, crime, and other meanings as well. Go iawn, fully, genuinely, proper, regular, real. Regularly, sorry, or real. Camlesi, canals, channels, plural of camlas. Rheilffyrdd, railways, plural of rheilffordd. Mythau, myths. Geiriaduron, dictionaries, plural of geiriadur. Ieithoedd, languages, plural of iaith. Tramor, foreign, overseas. Sillafu, spell, as in spell with letters. Gramadeg, grammar. Gwyddoniaeth, science. Natur, nature. Gwyllt, wild, untamed, unruly. Tywydd, weather. Deinosoriaid.
Deinosoriaid.
Dinosaurs. Seryddiaeth, astronomy. Astronomy. Mathemateg, mathematics. Crefftau, crafts and arts. Or crafts, arts, two separate words. Two meanings for crefftau. Cartref, cartref. Home, coginio, cook. Garddio, garden. Or in this case, gardening is a subject. Garddio is the verb noun that makes gardening and garden. Rhianta, parenting. Gwaith, work, job, task, deed, time, occasion, journey. Turn, when it means work words, it means is masculine. And when it's time words, it's feminine. Mecaneg, mechanics. Cadw, keep. Anifeiliaid, animals. Anwes, pets, pet. Iechyd, health. Lles, we've had that. Why is it coming on again? Never mind. Got a couple of repeaters there. Cerddoriaeth, music. Chwaraeon, sports.
Pensaerniaeth.
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 Pensaerniaeth. Pensaerniaeth. Architecture. Fiber, arlinio, draw, paint. Feintio. Paint, aspect mutation of paintio. Verb noun, to paint. Teledu, television. Film is a film movie. Llenyddiaeth, literature. Barddoniaeth, poetry. Scriptiau, scripts, plural of script. Humor, humour. Clasuron, classics. Epic, or heroic. Cyngor, advice, counsel. Counsellors in having help, or counsellors in the people you might go to talk about noise levels in your district, your area, your borough, your neighbourhood. Ysgrifennu, write with a pen. Cyfresu, lists, series as a plural, or serials, soft mutation of cyfresu. Llyfrau, books, plural of llyfr. Teithio, travel. Hanes, history. Daearyddiaeth, geography. Bywgraffiadau, biographies, plural of bywgraffiad. Achai, not seen this word before. Pedigrees, lineages. Achai.
Achau.
Astudiaethau. Oh, presumably that's genealogy as well as a section in there. Achai, yeah. Okay, astudiaethau, studies. Plural of astudiaeth. Lleol is local. Lots of words there. Where's the images? I'll find them. And there was that repeat one. Ignore me. Just working out what I need to fix. And we're going down to some news items. Ymgyrchwyr yn peintio rhybydd hinsawdd ar ochr mynydd a losgwyd gan danau gwyllt. Campaigners paint a climate warning on the side of a mountain burnt by wildfires. Rwsia yn rhybuddio'r Deyrnas Unedig dros gyflenwi dronau I Ukraine. Russia warns the United Kingdom over the supply of drones to Ukraine. Cyhoeddir pecynnau cymorth cenedlaethol cyntaf I bobl sydd newydd gael diagnosis diabetes math 2, announcing the first national support packages for people newly diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Pen Llyn, y gwasanaeth bws flexi sy'n helpu trigolion lleol a thwristiaid I deithio yn haws. Llyn Peninsula, the flexi bus service which helps local residents and tourists to travel more easily. Llafur cariad anferthol. Unig siop lyfrau Gymraeg Sir Conwy yn ail agor ar ôl gwaith adnewyddu. Immense labour of love, Conwy County's only Welsh bookshop reopens after refurbishment. And then there's a song, these are the words, or a bit of a song, bit of a rap, bit of a jingle, bit of a ding-along, ding-a-ling, my song-along. Have a sing-along. Here's the words. Dwi ddim yn hoffi bod ymhlith o gall torf fod lle unig. Menig I lawr, llygad I lawr. Chwarae bingo gyda'i rhifau nawr. Chwarae gate, and then we'll go with that. I don't like to be among, a crowd can be a lonely place. Gloves down, eyes down, playing bingo with numbers now. Oh, playing a bingo game with numbers now. Chwarae geiriau erbyn hyn yn awr o'r cyfnos hyd y wawr. Chwarae geiriau erbyn hyn yn awr o'r cyfnos hyd y wawr. Wordplay by now. From dusk till dawn, wordplay by now. From dusk till dawn. Dyna pryd dwi'n cysgu. Yna yn y dydd dwi'n dysgu. Synhwriol gyda'r cymysgu. Peilanwion yn llosgi. That's when I sleep, then in the day I learn. Sensible with the mixing. A ball of burning gases. Gwybodaeth sydd wedi chwasgu am yr hael rwy'n addysgu. Gwybodaeth sydd wedi chwasgu am yr hael rwy'n addysgu. Compressed information about the son I educate. compressed information. About the sun, I educate. So the idea there was, yeah. And here's the song. Dwi ddim yn hoffi bod ymlydd a gall to fod yn llai I ni. Manig I lawr, llygad I lawr, chwarae gem bingo gyda rhifau nawr. Chwarae geiriau ar ebrin yn y naw, o'r cyfnos hyd y wawr. Chwarae geiriau ar ebrin yn y naw, o'r cyfnos hyd y wawr. Dan y pryd dwi'n cysgu, yn y dyf dwi'n dysgu. Son hwyrol gyda'r cymysgu, pêl y nwion yn llysgu. Gwybodaf sydd wedi chywasgu, o'r hael dwi'n ddysgu. Gwybodaf sydd wedi chywasgu, o'r hael dwi'n ddysgu. Dwi ddim yn hoffi bod ymlydd a gall to fod yn llai I ni. Manig I lawr, llygad I lawr, chwarae gem bingo gyda rhifau nawr. Chwarae geiriau ar ebrin yn y naw, o'r cyfnos hyd y wawr. Chwarae geiriau ar ebrin yn y naw, o'r cyfnos hyd y wawr. Dan y pryd dwi'n cysgu, yn y dyf dwi'n dysgu. Son hwyrol gyda'r cymysgu, pêl y nwion yn llysgu. Gwybodaf sydd wedi chywasgu, o'r hael dwi'n ddysgu. Gwybodaf sydd wedi chywasgu, o'r hael dwi'n ddysgu.